How to fix screen not responding to touch in Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. First of all, restart device. Swipe down, open quick setting panel, click on power off button icon, click on restart again, click on restart your phone. Now go back. After that, enable touch sensitivity. Click on settings, scroll down, click on display, scroll down. Here you will see touch sensitivity, and if you want to enable touch sensitivity, then turn on this button. After turning on this button, enable touch sensitivity from your phone. Now go back. After that, software update. Again open settings, scroll down, click on software update, click on download and install. Here you will see update option, and if you want to update software, then click on update. After click on update, your phone software will be updated from your phone. Now go back. After that, remove screen protector. Again open settings, scroll down, click on display. Here you will see accidental touch protection, and if you want to remove screen protector, then turn off this button. After turning off this button, protect your phone from accidentally touch when it's in a dark place such as a pocket or bags. This is how you can fix screen not responding to touch in Samsung Galaxy S26. I hope you like this video, and thanks for watching this video.